So here we are on the daily chart. This is the SPDR S&P 500 chart, basically the ES, and you can see it's very rare that we get pullbacks. So when we do, we take advantage of them. As you can see here, we've pulled back to the 10%, then the 20%. For me, I do place a lot more on these trades, but that all depends on your trading plan and how you want to trade it. If we look further back, it was back in 2022 to 2023 that we got these pullbacks. It's very rare, and then we have to go back even further to get a 30% pullback. So in the S&P 500, we want to be taking advantage of every pullback that we see. The same as the Nasdaq, which is the QQQ. We take advantage of them every time they pull back. But again, we trade smart. You have a trading plan, stick to your trading plan, never over leverage, and make sure that you have funds available to be in at the next trade if it ever pulls back that far. One of these trades would be the pullback to the 10%. We always take profits when we get to the all-time high. If you want to, and if this is in your trading plan, you can just hold on to every 10%, every 20%, every 30% pullback, and just allow that to continue to grow. But we're investment traders, so therefore we take profits and we buy at every opportunity when there is one in the market, especially on the SPDR and the NQ as well.